everybody, it's me, Azalea. You're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. This old shack series today has a big, wonderful excitement. I'm about to show y'all something. Ta-da! Heating and cooling, mini split unit here in the kitchen. It is the darkest, most rainiest day. Did I say kitchen? I meant living room. Also, we got the other unit upstairs in the kids' room. And there's the second mini split. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. We're almost there. Getting this house livable. Now, of course, we had the remnants of a hurricane. It rained like crazy town all day. I had a headache and morning sickness all day. John was off from work. That was nice. So he was able to come and like let the men in and sign the paperwork and stuff. This is what the outside of the mini split unit looks like. Very pleased. If you watched the last video, you know me and the kids cleaned up this area yesterday. With all the men stomping around and working and all that rain, it is a mud pit over here right now. But the unit is looking sleek. See how they attached it to the side of the house? There's Johnny. And then the kids' upstairs unit is upstairs, and that's how it's attached over there. Very sleek. Very nice, very professional. I am very pleased. I have dealt with so many workers in this project that gave us, you know, that were very affordable, but not from big companies, and just kind of working when they feel like it. They put in this entire mini split unit. They got here at 8 a.m. They were done by 3 with the entire process. And financing was also available, and it was a very new and different experience working with a big company that has like good ratings and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely couldn't afford to do that with all of the work, but I'm glad to have an easier, less painful experience here towards the end of this long journey, because I'm tired. I am pregnant. I want to move into this house. I am ready to nest. I am tired of renovating. John, how do you feel about the mini splits?
I'm excited. Looks good.
Do you feel like we're close to moving in? Do you think that my number one dream and wish of spending solstice and Christmas in the house is going to come true?
Yeah, maybe.
Are you going to buy me a big Christmas tree?
Oh, yeah.
But I don't have to put it in the barn. I'll put it here.
I think we can probably do that.
Ah! Y'all, I spy with my little eye in the garden a mid-November ripe tomato. For those of you who do not live in Virginia, that's unusual. So I've definitely gotten October tomatoes. I don't know that I've got November tomatoes. Every year it pushes farther and farther. I'm gonna be 60 years old eating fresh tomatoes in December, and ain't that gonna be depressing? Cause them polar bears, they're just gonna be swimming around, no ice to stand on. I gotta tell y'all though, I knew the heating and cooling was going in today. I've known it was going in, but to see it in, to feel the breeze upon my face, because it's November and we're blowing air conditioning out, it's never felt realer. Me realizing the dream that I have harbored in my heart for years and years, that I've worked really hard towards. Even before I got the house, I was working hard, sacrificing, saving, dreaming, singularly focused on the one goal. of breaking the chain of rent and mortgage as the major expense. For those of you who haven't been following the channel like since the beginning, once upon a time I owned a big house and I owned a second house, and in my divorce my ex-husband had bankruptcy and they were gone with the wind, and I said never again, never again. Another day, it's Saturday. Y'all, the sun came out today. The sun came out today, and I feel it in my bones, and it is energizing me and revitalizing me. The sun is nourishing me. So, John and I have a grown-up weekend. The kids are away this weekend, and we're going to go over to the house. And first, I have to stop at Lowe's because I need a roller thing to roll some paint. So we do have a light fixture up over our stairs. It's going to be twinkling and beautiful, but unfortunately it looks right shabby next to this wall that I need to finish. Also, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. This light fixture, this is the first time we have the fixture in. And the discovery after getting the fixture in is it's hooked up to electricity. It's hardwired to the house. It's not hooked up to any of the switches. The switch is not hooked up to the fixture. There's no way to turn it off, so I just had to unscrew the light bulb. And that's another little thing to add to the list of little electric things that need tweaking. But today I am going to work on finishing this haul elsewise. Old sheets and an old comforter acting as my drop cloths down here today so I don't drip on the beautifully refinished staircase. that's looking like something. That's that. Okay, so on the old wallpaper and plaster and stuff, I need to put a primer on because it just bleeds right through if you don't. Like, it needs a couple of primer coats. So, that's like a small corner space and whatnot. I'm about to tape my paintbrush to my stick. That's a good little breaking point. Got all my paint stuff wrapped in plastic so don't dry out. Lid's on. All that nasty stuff is primed. That needs to dry. Then I can move forward on making everything look like this all the way around. Come a long way today. John's been busying himself out here. Y'all not gonna believe what he's done. Y'all, look what he did with all the cinder block rubble. He made something. What have you done?
Just organize it. It's a little square.
It's a square. Well, you know, I gotta say it looks better. There ain't no question about it. It looks better. This is where John will address his audience. Talk to the squirrels. Yeah, that's funny. We're gonna have to move it eventually. Baby's gonna get stitches if it tries to crawl on that thing.
Yeah, I mean, we could gradually haul it away. We might just have to pay someone. Do a couple bags.
One of my followers had something nice to say. I was complaining in my last video about how I was so depressed that I had a junkyard. And I was looking forward to the day when I didn't have a junkyard anymore. And she said, it's not a junkyard, it's a construction yard. Well, that's all my loofahs, y'all. So y'all know I had that whole big vine. One vine. One loofah plant. This is how many loofahs I got. Amazing. John, do you love my loofahs?
Yeah, they're great. Everyone's real curious about the loofahs.
Everyone is real curious about the loofahs. John's gonna hit the dump with that debris. And that's gonna about do us, I think, for today. But I'll be ready to do the pink coat or either another coat of primer. I'll see if it needs another coat, but that's got to dry. And I think, so that hall up there is where my desk is gonna go. And so it's gonna be a little bit of an azalea space. I call it my office, but it's actually just a hallway. So I think I'm gonna be ready to move into my office this week. That would be great. It's all happening. It's all happening. Say goodbye, John. Bye, y'all.
Building's coming down, not the tree.
I thought I heard the tree cracking, but now I think it was the shed.
Well, it's definitely cracking, the trees.
Yeah. Well, y'all, I did not think I was going to finish the upstairs hall this weekend. But guess what? I did. You know, after we get moved into the house, I'm going to be adding trim. That's something that's going to come. That's something that's coming with time. Is the trim and everything I'm going to add. But this is what I'm going to call move-in ready. Lovely. It's going to be a pleasure to dwell here. I can't believe I finished this weekend. Now I'm going to put a fresh coat of this black on top of what this old linoleum floor in the hall. I'm just going to put a fresh coat of black so it's super clean. And then I'm going to have curtains. My desk is going to be right here. I have some shelves on the wall for my desk area. It's move-in ready. I'm not going to paint the floor today. I done did enough. I can't believe it. That was dramatic.
I didn't think this was going to come down at all.
Y'all, I am beat. I'm beat. I need to eat food and lay down, but that's a good work day over here. John and my father were out there chainsawing and everything today. All those trees, and I can't believe I finished that upstairs house. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Anyway, here we go. See y'all next time.